You're going to have to completely bleed your brake system after this job. Do not try and drive the vehicle without completely bleeding the system, including activating the ABS pump with your scan tool. The reservoir is located under the front trim panel indicated by the red arrows. You do not need to remove all of the upper front trim panels to perform this work, but it sure helps give you more room. Please follow the link provided at the end of this video if you need additional help with the panel removal. Locate the brake fluid reservoir and remove the cap and strainer, red arrow. You will need to use a fluid pump to drain the reservoir. Brake fluid is fatal to your paint. Make sure you do not get any on you or your clothes and then contact the paint surface. Disconnect the electrical connection from the fluid level sensor by using a flathead screwdriver and rotating it to release the electrical clip, red arrow. Use a 5.5mm socket to loosen the fastening screw holding the reservoir to the master cylinder. During installation, you will tighten this to a torque value of 8 Nm or 6 foot-pounds. If you have a manual transmission, use a set of needle nose pliers to release the metal hose clamp on the line, red arrow, then pull off the friction fit fluid line. The second fluid line is held in by friction fit. Simply pull on the line until it disconnects from the fluid reservoir, red arrow. The brake fluid reservoir is held to the side of the master cylinder. It's just held in place by friction from the two grommets in the master at this point, red arrow. If you are reinstalling the reservoir, make sure to replace these grommets. Installation is the reverse of removal. You're going to have to completely bleed your brake system, including activating the ABS pump with your scan tool to complete this job. Do not try and drive the vehicle without completely bleeding the system with your scan tool. If you are replacing the level sender, you do not need to remove the reservoir. Simply use a push pin to press in on the release tab on the underside of the fluid reservoir, red arrow, and pull out the level sender. Installation is the reverse of removal. If you have only replaced the level sender, you do not need to rebleed the system. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out another video in this series.